Good morning, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd showcase this ledger journal I did. It's a DT project for Studio 28E. It's the ephemera pack, and I did it in the Nick Booksmith style, and I've aged it and whatnot, and I've done this gorgeous spine that Nick teaches in her teachables. I love it. I love how it looks like a book. This is a full signature journal, and I really like how it turned out. It's quite gorgeous. I love the ephemera packs. I've always been one for ephemera. I've just put a little thing, handmade with love. I haven't put my name on it yet, but I will. It's a hardcover journal, made from scratch, obviously. I put some ephemera, a little bit of collectibles like photos and stuff like that, that you would normally put with the journal. That comes with the kit. It's quite cute. But I added my own vintage ephemera as well. This is an old envelope. I thought I'd include that in the pack, in this journal. I just love how it turned out. I love doing these type of journals. My favourite journals to make. I used an old road map. These are probably about, I don't know, about 60 years old from this country. This is from the ephemera pack. I've rounded all the edges on these. I've left a lot of room to write in. I've stamped a little bit of script stamping. It's really, really, I love ephemera packs, always have. I used a library card, and this one is, it was first dated the 26th of June 1970. It hasn't got the name of the book, but I also used the original library card that come with it. I've just put some ephemera, some vintage ephemera, some writing paper. And I really like this, and I've included that in the journal. The ledger, for me, is like something that you would have as your everyday journal. And it's an ideal journal to cart around in your bag. This fits in a bag quite good. What I like about it is it's compact. I forget how many pages. I didn't count them. I never do. I forget to. Again, I've included vintage photos, a tag. Again, this is from the kit. This is dated the 10th of 17th, 1927. I've aged it the way I like aging my ephemera. That all fits in quite neatly. I put a lot of ephemera in my journals, and I really like that. I like lots of ephemera. It just leaves the buyer or whoever owns this journal room to actually put their own stuff. Again, I've used one of my own original pieces. This is 1928, I believe. So I used my own ephemera as well in this. I wanted to include some original pieces. Again, that comes from that ephemera pack. Again, I've put some photos in. I just think having photos in a ledger journal, because it's a journal that you cart around, I just believe this is ideal to put all your bits and pieces in it, you know. Normally we cart our photos around. No, I know I do. So, again, ephemera from the kit. Now, I printed out on, not tea stain pages, I actually printed out on parchment. Parchment is what we use here to do our invitations. This is really gorgeous. I like how it turned out, how it printed out beautifully. Just made a little journaling card with a butterfly and used, I forget what this is called, but anyway, I like it. I like how it turned out. I used pages from a 1895 book that I got that I really love. Just a cute, cute everyday journal. Like I said, I've included quite a bit of ephemera so that you can do what you like with this journal. Again, that comes from the kit. I can't remember where these are from. They probably were part of Nick's course, I'm not sure. Some more ephemera. I did a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. But this ephemera kit is gorgeous. That's just how I like doing my journals. That comes with the kit. It's so cute. And the pages are gorgeous. Like I said, I included papers from 1895, the originals. Again, this is from the ephemera kit, and it's aged accordingly. It's a really beautiful kit to work with. I've included a journaling card. Again, an old vintage letter. This is I think it's 1940, but I really love, no, it's not, is it? I don't know. Yeah, it is 1940s. But I just thought it went really well with the kit. Like I said, I included lots of ephemera, so you can actually have room to move around and do your own thing, really, because that's what it's about. No good doing the journal to my taste if I'm not going to keep it. Again, I included a page from the 1885 book. Again, I've put some photos in. That comes with the kit. I reckon having a ledger journal is so ideal. I love them. They're my go-to books. 60-year-old paper. Part of the letter. I love doing journals with shorter pages and longer pages than others. Another original ephemera. I don't know what the date is of this one, but I like them. That's what I like to do. There's a little tuck spot here with some ephemera from the kit. So this is the ephemera kit from Studio 28. From Studio 28. There's a little envelope. I've just clipped in. This is the cover that comes with the book, and I've just stamped it in that and just given you some journaling space. There's a journaling card. There's a passenger luggage. I think this is quite old, and I thought I'd include it. And it's a mortgage card there. Stuff that you would normally carry in your journal. I might actually put that envelope in there. It was realistically for the photos that I've included in here, I think that will go just fine. All fingers and thumbs. I've been under the weather for quite some time, so I'm hoping that this is the end of whatever bug I have picked up. It's day 10, but this journal's been up and ready, and I thought, oh, well, I get a chance, I'll upload it to my YouTube. Again, some vintage ephemera from the kit. I love how it ages so well. Envelope, an old postcard. It looks more like a newspaper clipping, but it's stuff that you would normally cart around in this type of journal. That's what I like about this type of journal, because it's stuff that you actually add in. So I just made a little tuck there. Included some original ephemera again. A flip out, and that's from the kit. That's from the kit. I just love turning the pages in, and I don't know, I think they just look good. I made a tuck spot here, and this is what I mean. I just included photos that you might be able, that you would normally cart around with you. Some original newspaper clippings from a long time ago, some more photos, just a matted card, a takeaway slip. This is just stuff I like to include in my journals. These are things that we would normally collect from day to day and put in our journals. And our photos are our brag photos, I suppose you would say. I just thought I'd include them, and this way you can do what you like with this journal. Like I said, this ephemera kit is gorgeous. I used 100-year-old music paper. You'll see it's got a fabric in the spine for good support. Again, 1885 book pages. That 60-year-old page. Here's the ephemera again. It's just gorgeous. I really like these type of journals. Again, these are from the kit. And I've included a photo. I like layering my stuff like this so I can see exactly what's in there, and it lays quite nicely. Just made some pockets, an old map, old ledger paper. Again, I've included some photos, an old vintage envelope, another old postcard, and just a journaling card. Like I said, I just love how these turn out. They're gorgeous journals. They're your everyday journals. You can actually dress them up, underdress them. It's up to you what you actually do to them. Vintage map. Again, we've got a little tuck there. Again, we've got the vintage ephemera, and I've just inked this and left it for writing space. An old postcard, another vintage envelope, another journaling card. These just make ideal everyday journals. Like I said, they fit into your bag so neatly. And again, you know, you cart around little bits of cards and stuff like that. It's a really nice journal. I love the ephemera pack. Thank you, Sherry. It's just gorgeous. And I like the fact that I can lay my pages any which way, which is what I normally do with my journals. I've got, where I punched out the corners, I've got bits of paper in them. Again, that 1885 pages, music pages. This ephemera pack is gorgeous. Again, I've included photos, made little library cards. Again, I've included some photos, some prints. There's the ephemera pack again. It's quite cute. And this is the sort of stuff that you would include in a ledger journal. Well, this is how I believe it's done, for me anyway. Everybody else has got their own style of journaling. That's that 60-year-old paper. It's from an original MacBook from here, from Australia, that I really like. Like I said, there's a lot of room for growth in this journal. Oops. Make sure that goes in. I like seeing all my journaling cards. I think they look good. That goes in there. And that goes in there. And so it's, what I like I said, what I like about it is, because when you do journals like this, they're easy to carry around and you've got lots of room for growth. Lots of room. So, thank you, Sherry, for having me on your team. I did complete this a while ago, but like I said, I've been off colour. I won't post it till next week. Because I've been off colour, I just didn't post it up. It doesn't take me long to do journals, so... But I love how it stands, and the beauty of this journal, it lies flat. So everything lies flat. So for you, I will link the kit in the description box. This is from the cover. But it does, it all lies flat. It's just a gorgeous kit. Gorgeous kit to play with, and the beauty of this kit is the additions that you can add of your own makes this journal a delightful journal. For those who like collecting vintage ephemera, or just for your everyday journal, I think it turned out lovely. Like I said, I just love the spine. The whole journal is quite delightful. Like I said, it sits nicely. You can have it on your coffee table. The beauty of it, Cherie created this cover for it, so it actually does say the ledger. And using Nick's technique to bind the book, or to make the spine. And I don't know about you guys if you've done any teachables, but this is one of the best teachables I did. And I enjoy doing this sort of style journal. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Bye. Stay safe.